Can you tell me the topic of this lesson? Yes, learn always. Learning is a continuous process. Have you watched little children asking questions for each and everything, children? Yes, they may ask so many questions. Even you too would have asked your father or mother when you go out, what is this? Why are they calling this? Like that. In this poem also, a little girl is asking, why? If we have such questions in our minds, let's think and give the answers. Now, we can see the poem. What are the questions the child asked? Who knows? These questions you may also arise in your minds. Now, shall we read the poem? Why is the sky blue? Why is the earth round? Why is silk soft? Why is fire hot? Think, why is it so? Why does the river flow? Why does the wind blow? Why does the sun shine? Why does the rain pour? Think, why is it so? Let's seek with the questions all week. As we grow with answers to know, think. Now, we'll see the explanation. Why is the sky blue? Have you ever thought why the sky was blue? You might have asked this question, isn't it? Why is the earth round? Who told that the earth is round? You have studied in your science subject, isn't it? Why is silk soft? Soft means smooth. Why is silk soft? Why is fire hot? Have you ever touched fire? Yes, everybody in our childhood, we might have touched the fire. It is very hot. Think, why is it so? We have to think why they are like this. Why does the river flow? Why does the wind blow? Why does the sun shine? Why does the rain pour? Think, why is it so? Why does the river flow? Flow means running down. Why does the wind blow? How could you see the wind blow? How do you say that wind is blowing? Because of the trees are moving, we can say the wind blows. Why does the sun shine? Why does the rain pour? Why? Think, why is it so? We have to think all this. Let's seek with the questions all week. As we grow with answers to know, think. So these kind of questions we can have in your minds, but when we think for the answers as we grow, when you are little children now, when you grow, the answers will come to your mind when you see so many things happening, right? Activities. First one, match the rhyming words. First word, flow. Second, grow. Third, seek. So, these are the words. You have to match it with the rhyming words given this side. Flow rhymes with blow. Grow rhymes with know. Seek rhymes with weak. Flow, blow, grow, know, seek, weak. Now, activity B. List questions to which you seek answer using why. They have given some cloudy gaps. You have to paste your photos here and write what are the questions you have in your mind. Why this is called so? Why is it like this? Like that you might have so many questions. You write what are the questions coming into your mind in this cloudies. Right? You write these and send it to me. Now we go to the grammar portion. Adverbs. Adverbs you might have studied already in the parts of speech, isn't it? You might have remembered, I think. Adverbs are describing words. Another describing words we have studied, adjectives. There is a difference between adjective and adverb. Describing nouns means adjective. Describing verbs means adverbs. Describing, when you describe a noun, it is adjective. When you describe a verb, it is adverb. Look at the picture, children. He rides his bicycle carefully. Look at him. He is wearing a helmet, shoes, and he was going slow. So he rides his bicycle carefully. How he rides his bicycle? Carefully. So carefully is the word adverb. Look at the next picture. He rides his bicycle carelessly. He rides his bicycle carelessly because he went and hit on a car. So he rides his bicycle carelessly. Carelessly is the adverb. The above sentences tell about how he rides his bicycle. How? They give the answer how. Such words that describe an action or verb are called adverbs. These kind of verbs are called as adverbs. An adverb describes a verb and tells how, when, where and how often. They are giving answers for all these questions. They are called adverbs. Now we will see one by one. How? She walks slowly. Can you make a question for this? How does she walk? How does she walk? The answer, she walks slowly. Then, when? He joined the duty yesterday. When did he join his duty? The answer to the when question is yesterday. So, yesterday is the adverb. Where? He looked everywhere. He looked everywhere. Where did he look? Where did he look? This everywhere gives the answer for the question where. How often? He ate biscuits twice a day. He ate biscuits twice a day. How often did he eat? How often? How often means எப்பெல்லாம் சாப்பிடுவான் அப்படி சொல்கிறோம்ல அது how often. How often did he eat? He ate biscuits twice a day. So these are the 4 kinds of adverbs. Now they have given some exercises. Choose the correct answer. You look at the picture and write the correct word. How does he look like? Happily, sadly, angrily. Which one is correct? He looks angrily. Angrily. Cat walks fast, walks beautifully, walk harshly. Which one is correct? Walk beautifully. We used to say cat walk, isn't it? Walks beautifully. Then the boy reads softly, reads joyfully, reads angrily. Look at the face of the boy. Is he happy? Yes, he reads joyfully. Then look at the picture. The man speaks silently, speaks rarely, speaks loudly. Look at the action. So, loudly, speaks loudly. These children celebrate sadly, celebrate sorrowfully, celebrate cheerfully. They are cheering, isn't it? They are happy. So, celebrate cheerfully. Then B1, circle and write the adverbs. You have to circle the adverbs. He laughed merrily. He laughed merrily. He will leave today. Today. Suddenly the old man fainted. Suddenly the old man fainted. I am waiting here. I am waiting here. I drink coffee thrice. I drink coffee thrice. Can you find out the answers, children? Merrily means how he laughed. So, merrily is the adverb. When we will leave today. When will you leave? Today. So, this is adverb. Suddenly, the old man fainted. When did the old man faint? Suddenly. I am waiting here. Where are you waiting? I am waiting here. Here is the adverb. I drink coffee thrice. How often do you drink coffee? I drink coffee thrice. Is it clear, children? Children, now all of you take your grammar books, page number 43 and chapter 21, adverbs. Adverbs. I have already told you an adverb is a word that tells us more about a verb or an adjective or another adverb. Right. Read the following sentence. Rohan ate his food quickly. How did Rohan eat his food? How quickly. Meena wrote a letter yesterday. When did Meena write a letter? Yesterday. Mary's lamb followed her everywhere. Where did Mary's lamb follow her? Where? Everywhere. He always shouts at me. How often does he shout at me? Always. So the words given in red are adverbs because they are explaining, they are giving the answers for the questions how, when, where, how often. In the above sentences, the words quickly, yesterday, everywhere, and always tell us something more about the underlined verbs. They are called adverbs. Now, we'll go to the kinds of adverbs. There are 4 kinds of adverbs. We see that one. First one, adverb of manner. Manner means how. For example, she dances beautifully. How she dances? She dances beautifully. We'll say, isn't it like that? It is raining heavily. How is it raining? Heavily. The soldiers fought bravely. How did the soldiers fight? They fought bravely. Second one, adverbs of place. Place means where. Where என்ற question answer கொடுத்தா that is adverb of place. How அப்படின்ற question answer கொடுத்தா adverb of manner. The cat ran upstairs. Where did the cat run? The cat ran upstairs. Don't go there, please. Don't go there. Where you should not go? You should not go there, please. Right. Third one, adverb of time. When. It gives the answer for the question when. Do this task today. Do this task today. Let's discuss this later. Let's discuss this later. Later means after some time. These questions, these words answer the question when. Then adverbs of frequency. Frequency means எப்பெல்லாம் நடந்துச்சு சொல்லுவோம்னா அதான் adverbs of frequency. How often? He often tells lies. He often tells lies. அவன் எப்போ பார்த்தாலும் பொய் சொல்லுவான், இல்லைன்னா அடிக்கடி பொய் சொல்லுவான், அப்படி சொல்கிறோம்ல. Adnan rarely goes to the gym. Adnan rarely goes to the gym. So these are the kinds of adverbs. There is an exercise at the back. You can do it. First example is given. Do the rest and send it to my WhatsApp number, children. Thank you.